So today I'm going to replace, hopefully fix the blower motor on my 2015 Ford Transit wagon. Excuse all the mess in it. We've got 5 kids. Here's one of them. He's getting crazy out here. That's Titus. So the first step we're going to do is we take off this trim piece off the back. Those little holes, each one of those holes has one of the, hey, I'm taking a video, be quiet. Has one of these little plastic things in it. And these screws right here, all right, they go inside these things right here. Hey, I'm not going to tell you again to be quiet, okay? Be quiet. I'm taking a video, so stop. So you take those out, and then this is all just clip pop. Just pop all this off. So I'm going to pop all this off, and I'll start the video again. But this is where the rear blower motor is, and we'll get it out of there and take some, show you guys how to get it replaced, and hopefully it fixes the problem, because right now there's no air in the back here. Cool. All right, so the paneling in this is kind of a pain in the butt, but once I got this off, I was able to get me a little bit of leverage. Don't need to get much to get past the lip. The lip of this thing goes up under this guy. Had to take this off. Hope you got a T55, big old wrench, impact wrench. So that's how you get the bracket for the rear seat belts off. By the way, I already took the rear seats out, so that's not going to be in this video. But anyway, it's all just tapped together. It's going to be a pain to get back into place, especially where these guys reconnect. I don't know if you can see there's tabs that go through these holes, and there's like a slide tab right there. So I gotta figure out how that is. But anyway, there's the motor, and we're gonna unplug it and plug the new one in and see if it works. Cool. Okay, so we got it plugged in. Just unplug that plug it in. Got my little assistant way up there. She's gonna turn it on for me and then turn it off, okay? All right, here we go. All right, turn it on. All right, look at that. So that was the problem. Cool. Thank you. All right, so I got it out. There's 3 little, where are you at? Torx wrench or Torx bit screws that hold it in place. Something I just noticed. So this is a Bosch motor, which, as far as I understand, is pretty good. This one just says, well, it says made in the USA, so maybe this is the original Ford part. It'd be interesting to look that up and see if it's the original Ford part, because this part number is different. It clearly is the same housing, same everything, so it'd be interesting to know if this is the original fan or not. Anyway, it was a little bit hard. I had to undo this little holder because the wire was in the way of one of these fins, so you just had to work it past here. And there's your 3 areas of your screws. These ones I was able to get with the driver, but then this one I had to use a screwdriver, hand manual, because I couldn't get past this wall here. So that's pretty easy. There's the air conditioner in the back here, and so we'll get this one put back. Well, got it in. I feel it sucking a lot more air through here now. And there is definitely air. It's nice and cold. So we found the problem, and it seems to be working. So, yeah. I just got to put all this stuff back together, and we'll be done. So, just noticed one thing. While putting these panels in, there's these vents on the panels. I don't see any reason for these vents. There's nothing here. I'm very curious why they would bother to put vents. Is this just for looks? There's no bottom one on this side, but there's a top one on this side. Very odd. Anyway, this one wasn't that hard to put back in. It just kind of popped into place. I'm sure there's probably a couple of fasteners that aren't connected, but it seems pretty solid. Should be okay. And then I just gotta pop this one back on and put that back on and be good to go. Cool. Well, that's it. AC's all fixed, huh, buddy? Yep. So that actually wasn't all that hard. It took about maybe an hour for somebody that's not typically working on cars like me. So should be pretty easy for anyone to do.
I go to church.
That's the problem. All right.